Okay.
Ready?
So you're going to go down center line and then go all the way down and track right. Good girl. Think of your corner. Good. Track right. 20-meter circle at B or E. Good girl. Nice corner. Keep them up. Up, 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 up. Not too fast. Keep the rhythm. That's a girl. Nice. Bend right. Bend right. Good girl. Now this corner, the next corner, and then go across the diagonal. Ride your corner. Good. And across the diagonal. Change your diagonal. Good girl. And bend left. Ride your corner. Okay, you cut your corner a little off, but that's okay. And now 20-meter circle at E. Nice. Good boy, Chase. Up, 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 forward, forward, forward. Bring his pole up. Good girl. Good. And now down center line, halt, salute. Good job. Woohoo! Good boy. Good girl, Missy.
Yeah, I cut that.
Stem. Good, 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 good. And little tap with the whip. There. Okay, and pick up your trot when you're ready. Good girl. That's nice. Good. Very good. And bend, just bend his, so you see his eyelash, just a little bit. That's a girl. But the outside rein stays nice and steady. Nice as anchor for him. So you got to have that nice steady outside rein so you can drive into the contact. That's a girl. So I want you to just slow him down just a little. Use your seat. Use your seat. Package. I want him to really work. That's a girl. Hold your stomach. There you go. See that? Good. Now slowly push him forward and make your circle just a little bigger. Forward. Don't let him drop. Don't. That's a girl. That's a girl. Good, Missy. No, outside rein. Pop, 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 pop. Hold him up. Inside knee. Drive him into the outside rein. That's okay. Good. See, he's almost ready to get a little more into a second level frame because he's working so hard at this hind end. So that means his pole's got to come up a little. That's a girl. He almost needs that because he's got that massive hind end. Good girl. Good. Now start to slow him down almost to a walk. Almost, and then forward slowly. Forward. Good girl, Missy. That's a good exercise for you. Good girl. And almost to a walk. Oh, beautiful. Good boy. Now I want you to transition to a walk, and I want you to keep him walking, and I don't want him to drop down. Forward. Outside rein. Pop, 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 pop. Good girl, good girl, good girl. Nice, nice, nice. Good job, good job. Beautiful. You get a 10 on that. Give him a long rein. And his butt.
Okay.
And his back muscles. But he's doing so well. Okay, let's change direction. Let's do a little canter with him.
And next time, I feel like we need to start lateral work more.
Okay.
Not today. He's a little too tired, I think.
Yeah.
But, or me too.
Okay. So we're going to do a lot of, we didn't do it that direction, but I want to do it this direction. Walk, trot, walk, trot, walk, trot. A little quicker, okay? Good girl. Nice job. Beautiful. Very smooth. Good. Beautiful. Good job. Very nice. See, that's a beautiful frame right there. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Nice. Now next time I want him I just want you to lift him up and sit way back when you go into the trot. And lift him up with your legs. Much better. Good. Beautiful. Right there. Oop. There. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Now I want you to pick up your canter. Now package, package, package. Make him work. Hold, hold, hold. Outside shoulder back. Absolutely gorgeous, Missy. That was beautiful. Make him work. Don't let him get below the bit. That's a girl. Beautiful. Forward, forward. Lift him up, lift him up. Lump, bum, bum, lump, bum, bum. Nice. Now, think of your transition to your trot. Good. Good girl. Good. And again, canter. Bend to the right, outside rein, outside shoulder back, and lift him up. Good girl. Best canter departs I've seen. Now, I want you to think he was a little rough on his downward transition. So hold your stomach. Hold your stomach. Much better. You'll see in the video.